Hello, it's so nice to meet you. After this tour, you love sake more and more. Shall we start the tour? Here, we brew and store sake. We brew sake during winter period only. For producing sake, we must keep low temperature always. Here, this one is a Tamagawa Water Works in Meiji period. We only use non-ionized mineral water. No ion is the best water for us. This one is our new annual batch of sake. We call it Arabashiri in Japan. I will introduce you plum sake. Plum.
Cheers, have fun.
I love it.
I enjoyed it too.